Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and I like to post this video in response to YouTube user Zippy Zombo's video where he adjusted an LCN closer at his church. That was the one he said that had the problem where the closer adjusted itself. Well, guess what, folks? My Global does that same thing. Watch. I don't know if it's going to do it very well because of the wind, and I can almost open it all the way to 90 degrees. Like, focus. You see that? I have the latch speed set closed where it'll close tight, but it doesn't do that. It just closes slow. And if the wind were to catch it, which sometimes it does, the wind were to blow it, it would close it like I want, like it would latch like I want. So we'll get an outdoor view. See? It adjusts itself. I don't have it set to go that slow. Like that slow, but still be fast. I have it set to go fast to where it'll actually latch all the way. See, right now, when the door's not tight, yeah, I can jiggle the door. See? Doesn't. But if I do this and pull it, doesn't. See, I can't move it. See, it's not latching like I want it. So, this is very awkward to see a door closer that adjusts itself. One more time. And no, let's just do it one more time. You know what? Sexy. We'll open it up as far as right now and let it close. And we'll go ahead. Alright, so anyways, that's it.